welcome back. Today we're gonna learn super fun and super useful daily action verbs in English with our smart juniors Aditya and Kamakshi. Are you ready? Woohoo! Before we start, tap the like button and subscribe to our channel. Alright kids, let's go!
I am walking. I am walking. I am running. I am running. I am jumping. I am jumping. I am eating. I am eating an apple. I am sleeping. I am sleeping. I am dancing. I am dancing. I am reading. I am reading the book. I am writing. I am writing my homework. I am drawing. I am drawing an apple. I am helping. I am helping you, my little friend. I am playing. I am playing with the ball. I am subscribing. I am subscribing to this channel. Please subscribe to this channel. Subscribing to the channel gives us more confidence to make good videos. Thank you. I am clicking. I am clicking the like button. I am drinking. I am drinking milk. I am laughing. I am laughing. I am smiling. I am smiling. I am clapping. I am clapping. I am swimming. I am swimming. I am kicking. picking. I am standing. I am standing. I am sitting. I am sitting. I am crying. I am crying. I am catching. I am catching the ball. I am waving. I am waving. I am throwing. I am throwing the ball. I am washing. I am washing my hands. I am brushing. I am brushing my teeth. I am closing. I am closing the door. I am opening. I am opening the door. I am pushing. I am pushing the box. I am pulling. I am pulling the rope. I am climbing. I am climbing the ladder. Woohoo! We did it! Today, we learned so many daily action verbs. Now remember, practice these words every day with mommy, daddy, or your friends, okay? Guess what? Very soon, Aditya and I will be back with our next video, where we'll learn all about good manners and good habits. So don't miss out. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and join us again. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.